Good morning. Welcome to the online session of St. Xavier Convent School, Barnala. I am your math teacher. My name is Amandeep Kaur. Today we start the chapter 5th, numbers from 10 to 99, two-digit numbers. In two-digit numbers, we have ones and tens. At the ones place, we have digit from 0 to 9. 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3. After that, at the ones place digits, we have numbers from 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 is the two-digit number. So, it at the tens place digit. 110 means 10. 2 tens is equal to 20. 3 tens is equal to 30. 4 tens is equal to 40. 5 tens is equal to 50. 6 10 is equal to 60. 7 10 is equal to 70. 8 tens is equal to 80 and 9 10 is equal to 90. So, at the last we have 90 and 9. 90 plus 9 is equal to 99. So, 99 is the largest two-digit number. First, how to 4 tens and 3 ones make 43. As we know that 4 tens is equal to 40. 4 tens means 4 times 10. Add tens with each other 4 times. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 40. We can say that 4 tens is equal to 40. And there we have 3 ones. So, we add ones 3 times. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. 3 1 is equal to 3. So, 40 and 3. 4 tens and 3 ones make 43. This 40 and 3 add to each other. 40 plus 3 is equal to 43. So, we can say that 4 tens and 3 ones is equal to 43. The next example is how to 6 tens and 2 ones make 62. As we know that 6 tens, 6 times 10. So, we add 10 is equal to 60. If we add 10 at the 6 times, so we get the answer 60. After that 2 ones, we add 1 2 times. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So, 6 tens is equal to 60. 2 ones is equals to 2. After that, we add 60 and 2. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2 and 60. So, after adding 60 and 2, we get the answer 62. So, 6 tens and 2 ones is equal to 62. Next, how to count the beads and make a number. First, we have at the ones place we have don't any beads and at the tens place we have a red bead. So, at the ones place we don't have any value, so it is 0, and at the tens place we have one red bead, so it is 1. So, this abacus represent the value 10. There we have ones place and tens place. At the tens place we have 2 yellow beads. 1 and 1 is equal to 2. So there we have 2 beads. And at the tens place, 1, 2, 3. 3 beads. So 3 beads at the tens place is equal to 30. As we know that one bead at the tens place represent 10. So 3 beads at tens place represent 30. So these is equal to 30 is equal to 2. So 30 plus 2 is equal to 32. The red bead shows the number of tens and the yellow bead shows the number of ones. At the red beads number of tens, 3 tens is equal to, and at the ones yellow beads we have 2 yellow beads. 3 tens plus 2 ones. 3 tens is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10 is equal to 30. We can also say that 3 red beads at the tens place is equal to 30. And 2 ones is equal to 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. After that at the tens place we have 30 and at the ones place. 30 means at the tens place we have 3. At the tens place we have 3 and at the ones place we have 2. So at the ones place and tens place. At the ones place 2 and at the tens place 3. So is equal to 32. How to draw the beads on abacus for a given number? Question is 28 is equal to 2 tens plus 8 ones. As we know that 28 is 20 plus 8. 20 means 2 beads at 1 tens place and 8 beads are at the ones place. So this is the ones place, this is the ones place, this is the tens place. 8 beads are at the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads at the ones place. 20 means 2 beads are at the tens place. So 28 shows on the abacus like this. 2 tens plus 8 ones. 2 beads on tens place, 8 beads on the ones place. So we get this result. Next example is 73 is equal to 7 tens and 3 ones. 73. 3 at the ones place and plus 70. 73 break down into 70 plus 3. So at the ones place we have 3 beads and 70 means 7 times 10. So 7 beads at the tens place. 7 beads at the tens place. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads at the tens place and 3 beads at the ones place. 2, 3. Solution: 7 plus 3 ones given to us. So we know that at the tens place we have 7 beads and at the ones place we have 3 beads. So 3 beads are at the ones place 1, 2, 3, and at the tens place we have 7 beads 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 73 is represented on abacus like this. Thank you so much. I will upload your work on WhatsApp group. Please complete your work. Thank you.